Hello everyone. Here is presentation on three-phase semiconverter with a load is purely resistive. Basically, what is a three-phase semiconverter? Three-phase semiconverters are the three-phase control rectifier which are used to convert an AC input power supply into DC output power. This DC output power is obtained across a resistive load. This converter circuit provides a maximum output of 2 Vm by pi, where Vm is the maximum value of the supply voltage. Here are some features of three-phase controlled rectifier. They produce high output voltage ripple frequency. They require less filtering for smoothing out load voltage and load currents. Here is the circuit diagram for three-phase semi-controlled converter. We use 3 thyristor T1, T2 and T3. We used a star connection supply, 3-phase supply. When thyristor T1 is triggered, the pulse voltage, the phase voltage VAN appears across the load when T1 conducts. The load current flows through the supply phase winding AN through thyristor T1 as long as T1 is conducts. When thyristor 2 is triggered, T1 becomes reverse bias and turned off. The load current flows through the thyristor and through the supply phase winding BN. When T2 conducts, the phase voltage VBN appears across the load when the thyristor 3 until the thyristor T3 is triggered. When the thyristor T3 is triggered, T2 is reverse biased and hence T2 turn off. The phase voltage VCN appears across the load when T3 is conducting. For a purely resistive load, where the load inductance L equal to 0 and the triggering angle alpha greater than pi by 6, the load current appears as discontinuous load current and each thyristor is naturally commutated when the polarity of the corresponding supply voltage reverses. Basically, three-phase off-wave converter combines a 3 single off-wave controlled rectifier in one single circuit feeding a common load. Here are the output waveforms for a circuit. When we trigger at t equal to 0, there is no delay angle, that is alpha equal to 0. Then we will get a pure rippled DC output. When we trigger at an angle alpha 15 degrees, the waveforms look like this. When we trigger at alpha equal to 30 and alpha equal to 60, the corresponding waveforms are shown. This is the simulation diagram. We used 3 thyristor D1, D2 and D3 of 2N1599 whose triggering voltage around 5 volts. We use 3 diodes D4, D5 and D6 to cut off the negative cycle. We use 3-phase star connected supply. Here I used a triggering pulse circuit. This is an oscilloscope. When I simulate this circuit in the multisim, this is the type of waveform, output waveform. Here I have built in circuit in multisim with 3 thyristors and 3 diodes which are used to cut off the negative cycle, and this is the star connected 3-phase supply. This is the triggering pulse for a thyristor connected to gate. This is an oscilloscope. I'll run it. I have triggered here. See, the waveforms look like this. Thank you.